Burns. Habanero moonshine. Oh, we rolling? Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a delivery that I am really excited about. I am sitting on it right now. And I've been waiting for this for a few days now. It kind of got delayed because of the storm. And what I got in is a, well, what is it? Well, I was just about to explain what it is before you interrupted me. Is it a new chainsaw? No, it is not a chainsaw. Is it the 500i? Oh, those things are so sweet. I just said that it wasn't a chainsaw. Okay, well, what is it then? I got my tool rack in. You're excited about a tool rack? Yeah, it's a big tool rack. Well, do you need a hand put it together? I mean, I could always use a hand around here. Sure. I'm just kidding, you're on your own. I have a date. See you, loser. Okay, so I have pretty much everything laid out with the exception of the actual bed and the tailgate, which is over there still. But this is it, and my first impressions are, looks pretty nice. It looks like it's fairly simple to put together. There's not too many pieces, and also like how they kind of pre-installed some of the hardware where it's supposed to go, so that's going to make it go by a little easier. You don't have to go searching for the right bolt that goes in that location. But yeah, so I got all laid out and I'm ready to put it together. Let's do it. Maybe do a little SMR. Was it ASM, BDSM? All right. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the big tool rack. All in all, I'm pretty impressed with it. The installation, it went by pretty good. There were some odds and ends here, like some of the hardware varied in sizes. So for instance, putting on, you know, one of these brackets, like this bracket here, one of the bolt heads would be a 13 mil and the other one would be like a 12. Not a huge deal, just kind of annoying in the moment. I will say though, the customer service that I've experienced so far has been pretty awesome. When I ordered this rack, they were running a New Year's special, and part of the special was you get an extra chainsaw holder, some rubber grommets, and a couple other odds and ends with your Ultimate rack. So I looked at what came with the Ultimate rack, and I was like, oh, it already comes with a chainsaw holder, and I'll be getting an additional chainsaw holder with this special. Probably a misinterpretation by me, but it turns out you didn't get two chainsaw holders. What you got was this 5-in-1 chainsaw holder in place of the standard chainsaw holder. That was the deal. I emailed BigToolRack, and literally within like 30 minutes I had an email back from Tim, the owner. He actually gave me a phone call from his personal cell, and we talked about it. He ended up helping me out with another chainsaw holder. So, and then we went on to have a little conversation afterwards. So I was really impressed with that. I'll give you a little walk around of some of the tools and holders I have on here. Starting off in the bed, here I have my toolbox and extra parts. Over here I have a 5 gallons of diesel. That's pretty much in the bed. Up the left side here I have my splitting axe, and then a 20-inch Hilco work axe there. On this side I have shovel, fuel cans down here, and extra gloves. These are cool little bottles that BigToolRack sells. I think about 16 ounces. Little quick fill deal that goes in there. Of course I got a 462 on this side. On the back side racks I have a chain in this one. Over here I got a little tow strap with some hooks on it. Coming around to the other side I have my wood chuck, a log roller, and then a picker, whatever they're called, can't remember. This side I got another gallon of mixed fuel, bar oil, some grease pens, and my 261 chainsaw here. And the backside racks, I got nothing over there, and over here I just have my sledgehammer and my pry bar over here, and the donkey dick or the spout for the fuel can. Also down here under the tow strap I have some wedges, splitting wedges. And that is just about everything. Well, that's it, everybody. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a pretty good time making it and putting this thing together, and I hope to get some really good use out of it. If you like this video, kiss that like button. If you didn't, then don't forget to call your mother on her birthday. I'll see y'all next time.